Hello everyone, welcome to US Weather Alert. Subscribe to our channel now for the latest and most accurate weather updates across the United States.
Let's take a look at the weather for tonight and tomorrow across the United States. If you enjoy these daily weather updates, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important forecast. A very active weather pattern continues across the country tonight. Millions of Americans should stay weather aware as strong thunderstorms, dangerous heat, and localized flash flooding remain the biggest weather concerns. Starting tonight, the greatest threat for severe thunderstorms stretches from parts of the upper Midwest through the Great Lakes and into portions of the Northeast. These storms could produce damaging wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, frequent lightning, torrential downpours, and isolated large hail. A few storms may become severe before gradually weakening overnight. Drivers should be prepared for sudden reductions in visibility due to heavy rain. Across portions of the Ohio Valley and the Mid-Atlantic, scattered showers and thunderstorms will also continue through the evening. While not every location will see severe weather, any stronger storm could quickly produce heavy rainfall and ponding on roads. Meanwhile, the southern plains, Gulf Coast, and much of the southeast will remain warm and humid overnight. Temperatures will stay unusually high in many cities, with little nighttime cooling. This could create uncomfortable conditions for anyone spending extended time outdoors. In the desert Southwest, including Arizona and southern Nevada, hot and dry weather continues with very warm overnight temperatures. Even after sunset, many communities will struggle to cool down. Now let's look at tomorrow's forecast. A cold front moving eastward will continue to trigger scattered to numerous thunderstorms from the Great Lakes into parts of the Northeast. Some storms may again become severe during the afternoon and evening, producing damaging winds, heavy rain, and isolated hail. Localized flash flooding will remain possible where storms repeatedly move over the same locations. The Midwest will experience a mix of sunshine and clouds with warm, humid conditions ahead of the front. Afternoon temperatures will climb into the upper 80s and lower 90s across many areas. Across the Northeast, residents should be prepared for rapidly changing weather. Sunshine during the morning may quickly give way to developing thunderstorms later in the day. Farther south, much of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida will remain very hot and humid. Heat index values may climb well above 100 degrees in some locations. If you're planning outdoor activities, drink plenty of water, take frequent breaks, and avoid prolonged exposure during the hottest part of the afternoon. The Northern Rockies and Pacific Northwest will enjoy relatively quieter weather, with mostly dry conditions and seasonable temperatures. However, isolated afternoon showers may develop over the higher terrain. Along the West Coast, including California, expect mostly dry weather with coastal morning clouds followed by afternoon sunshine. Inland areas will remain warm to hot, while coastal communities stay noticeably cooler. Looking toward tomorrow night, thunderstorms will gradually shift farther east, while another round of unsettled weather begins developing over portions of the northern plains, setting the stage for additional storms later this week. To summarize, severe thunderstorms are possible tonight across parts of the Midwest, Great Lakes, and Northeast. Heavy rainfall could lead to localized flash flooding. Dangerous heat continues across the South and Southwest. Tomorrow brings another active afternoon of thunderstorms in the eastern half of the country, while the West remains mostly dry.